Namaste. Hope you're doing well. Today we will tackle the 20th problem of ISI MSTAT 2023 PSA. So from the appearance, it's quite simple. It seems to be a variance covariance problem involving limits. So that's what you'll need as a prerequisite. A basic understanding about what the variance of a sum of random variables is and a basic understanding of how limits work. Let's get started. The connection of dots is quite simple here. We need the structure of the variance for Z, and how is that going to look like? It's going to look like this. Now, this is a constant. It's inside the variance structure. You can take the constant out and square it, which we have done. And what remains inside is the sum of the variance of the individual components of the sum and the associated covariances. Essentially, this variance structure is also a covariance, if you look at it like this, covariance of xi with itself. So this entire variance of a sum can be perceived as linear combination of appropriate covariances, some of which become variance, some of which remain covariances. Now that we have this, let's calculate what this structure is actually going to be. Let's put panels. Now the variance is given. It's 1 for all. So essentially this sum just is n multiplied by 1. And the covariance, which has n into n minus 1 terms in this summation, by the way, all of them are the same, half. So even that is n into n minus 1 into half. Simplifying it a little further, we get something like this. And I think now it's very intuitive where the limit is going. This becomes very large in the denominator as n goes to infinity. So essentially this becomes 0. And this thing becomes very close to 1, because when n becomes very large, it doesn't matter. The difference between n minus 1 and n is quite negligible. So the ratio is 1. And that's it. The answer is half. And some base, to build your base for exams is sometimes it's just easy to ignore unnecessary expectations in the problems in exams and life. As you notice, this did not play any significant role in this. It was maybe just there to get you confused that how would you use this extra information. And if you like this, then the request is at least start with some attempt, a half attempt on building a powerful habit, which should be an investment for yourself. Take care. Hare Krishna.